Looking for something fun for your Halloween party this weekend? Today, Howard shows us how to make a yummy mummy brie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
We love celebrating Halloween here in the Test Kitchen. After all, when else do we get to dress up a little wacky? Plus, we love making foods that taste amazing, yet they'll scare the gajeebies out of you. Today, we have a new recipe that's perfect whether you're hosting a Halloween bash or you want to bring something special back to the office or to the pyramids. It's a mummy wrap brie, and it goes together like this. The first thing we do is split a brie in half and spoon some raspberry jam over the center of it. Now, we place the top back on and set it aside. Then, we place a sheet of thawed puff pastry on a cutting board and cut it into half-inch strips. These are going to be the mummy's bandages. Next, we wrap the brie with our so-called bandages until it's covered. Well, everything except for a small area around what'll be the eyes. We brush it with an egg wash and into the oven it goes. When it comes out all golden and melty, we add some eyes and it's ready to serve. When you cut into it, it'll ooze with cheesy goodness. To get the recipe for our yummy mummy brie, as well as lots of other spooky favorites, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly. Can't find your mouth, can you? Where today we found a yummy mummy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Looks good.